Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to send video messages on WhatsApp. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to WhatsApp. After that, we need to go to any chat. Go here, and if you want to send video messages on WhatsApp, you must click on this little button camera. Click here and start to recording. And after that you can click send. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.